Hi there, ukulele friends. Lisa the Ukulele Fool here. I'm not running with my scissors. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and I just want to tell you how special this unboxing is for me. I purchased a Hurricane concert ukulele, a different one. This one has a solid spruce top, to donate to the Norton Audubon Hospital. They have a music therapy unit, but I did not do this by myself. It was brought to you by my patrons, and my patrons at patreon.com have been super awesome. They have been behind me in many of my charitable endeavors because I really believe in spreading the ukulele love. And so I hit my goal of 40 patrons. I just started out this year, and so I'm going to be doing this unboxing and see what we've got. But I want to encourage all of you. First of all, there's things that you can do to help spread the ukulele love. First, you can subscribe to this channel because that helps other people find this content. Hit that notification bell, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Do you do something charitable out there as part of your ukulele adventures? Share it with us. We'd like to hear. And so if you feel like you can even do like a tip jar at $1 a month for Patreon, please do so, because that's going to help me get my next goal, which I'm still working on figuring out what that's going to be. So that's another thing. If you think that there's a worthy cause out there, let me know in the comments below. Okay, let's get this baby unboxed. Oh, wow. Let's move my camera now. Come on. I hope it's okay. It should be okay. One thing that I love about the Hurricane ukuleles is their cases are beefy. This is a really substantial case. You can just feel how substantial it is just right out of the box. And then on further inspection, you find that they're just really a superb ukulele for the price. And oh, by the way, I'm giving one away when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you subscribe, I have an entry form down below. Do the entry form, subscribe, comment, all that. In fact, on this video, if you comment on this video, you'll get 2 entries into the giveaway. But you got to do that entry form first. If you haven't done that entry form, do the entry form. That's how I'm going to get a hold of you. Okay. Oh, very pretty. All right. Comes drill. Let's tune this up and see what we have. I've been having a really good time playing around on this instrument. It sounds really nice. One of the things that I wanted to try a spruce top because I really appreciated spruce tops that are on handmade instruments before. They have a crisp, bright sound to it, and that's certainly the case you get here. When you tap it, you hear lots of resonance in there. On the bridge, give me a few samples. So nice sound on it. One of the things that I really liked about this Hurricane and the one that I'm giving away is the action on it. Even though these are factory-made instruments, it's very easy to bar and do B flats, yes. And you can slide around on them. So let's see. So you can do things like that pretty easily. And so one of the things I picked up some student ukuleles, and they're saying like, oh, I have a hard time doing the bar chords. And I go, yeah, I see why. That requires some muscle to be able to do it because your action's so high. So the action on this is really nice. And so that a beginner can instantly do your beginning things and not have to worry about it being the instrument's problem. I was able to order this hurricane off of Amazon. It ran $69.99. Didn't come with a tuner, but it came with a wonderful case. It's already drilled for a strap. It came with a cleaning cloth. I think there were some extra strings in there, and really nice instrument. So I hope you have fun listening to this video. Gives you some food for thought. If you're a teacher out there, let me know. Would you recommend an instrument like this? Let me know. It's been fun doing this for you. Once again, thanks to all my patrons who have gotten behind getting this instrument, plus the other projects that I've done with Greenhouse 17 and Survivor Girl, like the Survivor Girl headstock ornaments that I did that, and did some busking with some of my patrons. And hey, keep spreading the ukulele love. It's what makes the ukulele community so different from any musical community that I've ever been part of. And if you have $1 to spend a month, that gets you access to all my chord charts, and plus helps you get involved in some of the charitable works that I'm doing. All right, until next time.